Let's cut the bullshit. Most men talk too much because they're terrified of silence. They'd rather vomit words than sit with their own fucking thoughts, and it's making you weak, unrespectable, forgotten. You think talking proves your worth? Wrong. Every unnecessary word is a leak in your power, a confession of insecurity, and I'll prove it to you. Section 1. Why men can't shut the fuck up. Reason 1. You're insecure. Look at me. Validate me. Notice how smart I am. Sound familiar? The more you talk, the more you scream, I'm not sure I matter. Reason 2. You're addicted to noise, social media, podcasts, group chats. Your brain's so flooded with shit takes you've forgotten how to think. Silence feels like withdrawal. Reason 3. You've been lied to. Networking equals ass-kissing. Charisma equals performing. Real power? It's not in your mouth. It's in your goddamn presence. Ever met a man who speaks less than he listens? Who answers questions with silence first? That's the guy who owns the room, and it terrifies you. Section 2. The cost of your mouth. Here's what your verbal diarrhea buys you. 1. Lost respect. Women test men who talk too much. Bosses ignore them. 2. Missed opportunities. You can't hear a deal closing while you're yapping. 3. Self-sabotage. Ever regret words the second they left your mouth? That's your soul begging you to shut the fuck up. You know who talks constantly. Teenagers, anxious people, losers. The men who shape the world, they speak like every word costs $10,000. Because it does. Your grandfathers survived wars without therapy, built empires without networking. They understood. Words are bullets. You don't spray them like a drunk with an Uzi. Section 3. How to weaponize silence. Training manual for the silent warrior. 1. The 3-second rule. Before speaking, shut the fuck up for 3 seconds. Is what you're about to say true, necessary, kind? If not, swallow it. 2. The void test. Next conversation, let the silence hang. Watch weak men squirm. The first to speak loses. 3 Stoic anchors. Carry a coin. One side says listen, the other, is this useful? Flip it when your mouth itches. The Spartans trained 30 years to utter 3 legendary phrases. You're not Spartans, but you can stop being clowns. Section 4. When to break silence. Only 2 times your voice matters. 1. To defend your boundaries. No needs no explanation. 2. To claim what's yours, I will. I am mine. The wolf doesn't bark. The storm doesn't negotiate. And real men don't speak unless it changes something. In the next 30 days, talk 50% less, listen 200% more. Watch what happens. Women lean in to hear you. Men seek your approval. Opportunities hunt you. Silence isn't empty. It's the arena where real men are made. Now get the fuck out of your own way.